How to fix action blocked on Instagram. I'm going to show you how you can easily fix action blocked on Instagram. First, open the Instagram application on your mobile device. Next, tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then, tap on the three lines in the top right corner. Now scroll down and tap on Help. Tap on Report a Problem. Shake your phone to bring up the report option. Here, tap on Include and then Continue. Then, type your report such as, I have an issue with the action button. Kindly resolve this issue. Then, send the report. After that, go back and tap on Account Center. Tap on Sharing across profiles. Next, tap on Add Account. Tap on Add Facebook Account. Then tap on Continue. Select your date of birth and tap on Continue. Finally, tap on Yes, Finish Adding. This should help resolve the issue.